Weekends I'll do everything.
Okay, so we are going to learn about the equation of a line and slope and the y-intercept of the 2 points. So to determine the equation of a line, you are probably aware that many real-world situations can be described with linear graphs and equations. Now, here is a word used, linear graphs. We should know what is the meaning of linear. The word linear means? Linear means one.
It's one,
Means
yes.
the graphs of the functions that have the
Straight line.
the straight line graphs, or other times we have the functions that are linear, means the maximum power of the variable is 1.
One, yes.
Maximum power of the variable is 1. Okay. In this lesson, we're going to show how to find the equations of a variety of situations, write an equation giving slope and y-intercept. So we're going to learn how to write an equation of the graph if you're given with the slope and the y-intercept. Recall that you may write an equation in the slope-intercept form with a few simple steps. Start with the general equation for the slope-intercept form, that is y is equal to mx plus b, and then substitute the values of m and b into the equation. For example, a line with a slope of 4 and y-intercept minus 3 will have the equation y is equal to 4x minus 3. If you are given just the graph of a line, you can identify the slope and y-intercept from the graph and write the equation there. For example, on the graph below, you can see that the line rises by 1 unit as it moves 2 units to the right. So the slope is 1 by 2. It rises by 1 unit. It is rising by 1 unit as it is moving 2 units towards the right. So rising by 1 unit, what is slope? Just revising it, slope is equal to rise over run. So what is rise? 1. What is run? 2. So the slope of the equation is 1 by 2. Also, you can see that the y-intercept is minus 2. What is the y-intercept? The point at which the line intersects the y-axis. Y-intercept. What is y-intercept? The point at which line intersect y-axis. That is called y. So it is intersecting y-axis is minus 2. So you can see that y-intercept is minus 2. So what is the equation of a straight line? Equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. And what is m over here? M is slope over here. What is y? Y is the y-intercept and x is the x-intercept. So if we have to write it, y is equal to the slope of this equation is 1 by 2. So it's going to be 1 by 2x plus c.
Yes.
Equation of this line is y is equal to 1 by 2x plus c. So what is the slope? Slope is rise over run. The number of units a line is rising means moving upwards, and run moving horizontally towards the right. Okay, write an equation of the given slope in a point. Often we don't know the value of the y-intercept, but we know the value of the y for a non-zero value of x. In this case, it's often easier to write the equation in the form of point slope form. An equation in point slope form is written as y minus y naught is equal to m, x minus s naught, where m is the slope and x naught and y naught is any point on the line. So let me tell you this thing. Writing the equation in the form of a point slope form, a line has a slope of 3 by 5 in the 0.26 on the line. So as this was the graph, this is the line. So this line has slope 3 by 5, and there is a point over here on the line, and the point is 2, 6. 2, 6 means 2 from the x coordinate, 6 from the y coordinate. Write the equation of the line in point slope form starting with formula. So we know the formula for point slope form is y minus y naught is equal to m x minus x naught. So m is given 3 by 5. So instead of m, we will replace 3 by 5. And we have given 0.26. So this 26 point is going to come in the places of the naught values. That is 6 minus 2. So this is the y minus 6 is equal to 3 by 5. X minus 2 is the equation in the point slope form. Point slope form. What is this point means? There will be one point given of the line. Slope means this will be slope given of the line. So by using the slope of the line and by using any one point on the line, we will make a equation of the line. That equation of the line is point slope form. Understand? The name
Yes.
itself represents that it will use a point on the line and slope of the line. Okay. So notice that the equation is the point slope form is not solved for y. If we did solve it for y, we didn't have it in the y-intercept form. To do that, we just need to distribute the 3 by 5 and add 6 to the both sides. This means the equation of this line is in slope-intercept form, y is equal to this, or simply y is equal to this. So if we will get the y, how we can find the y-intercept of this form? Y minus 6 is equal to 3 by 5, x minus 2. So similarly, we know we need to do is 3x by 5 minus 3 times 2 is 6 by 5 plus 6, which will result in 3x by 5 minus 24 by 5. So this is y is equal to mx plus c. And what is m over here? M is 3 by 5 and c is negative 24 by 5. And this is x and this is y. Okay. So what happens when we have a slope and when we have a point? We use point slope form, that is y minus y naught is equal to m x minus x naught. And when we further simplify it, it results in y is equal to mx plus c, which is the equation of the slope intersects form. Are you getting the point or no?
Yes. No, I'm getting.
Okay. I want you to do the example first.
Yes. Example is going to solve a little bit of.
Let me just zoom it. Okay. A line contains the point 1 and minus 2 and 0 and 0. Write an equation for the line in point slope form. Then write an equation in
point slope form. Then write an equation in y. Okay, I'll write it down. Hold on. Y minus y naught is equals to m x minus x naught. But there's no m in it.
Wait.
Find us. There's no m.
Yes, there is no m.
Yes.
Wait. Now, there is a confusion. Why there is no m, but there are 2 points given. So how we are going to write the equation of alignment given when we are given with 2 points? So let's read
it's the formula, right? M
Yes.
is equals to y minus y naught by
X minus.
x
Okay.
minus x
Let's
naught.
see. Point slope form also comes in useful when we need to find an equation given just 2 points on the line. So in the last what we were doing, we were given m and we were given 1 point and we use point slope formula. But now if we are given 2 points and we are not given any else.
एक second. Just give me a minute. Yeah, sorry.
Okay. For example, suppose we are told that the line passes through the point -2, 3, and 5, 2. To find the equation of the line, we can start by finding the slope. So how to find the slope? Slope is equal to m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So what is y2 here? 2 and y1 3. So 2 minus 3 over x2 is 5 minus plus 2. So going to be -1 over 7. So we get the value of m, that is -1 over 7.
Yes.
And now we need to put the value of m in the point slope formula. It is m minus
Okay,
y
but
naught
like
is equal to m.
okay, so the slope point slope formula is different and m find is different, right?
Yes, to find m is different.
Okay.
-1 by 7, x minus x naught. Okay. Now we just need to pick one of the 2 points to plug into the formula. Let's use 5, 2. So if we will use the point 5, 2, this is the second point. So how we're going to use it? Y minus 2 is equal to -1 by 7, x minus 5. And we will get this. What if we had picked the other point instead? Then we have ended up with the equation. If we will put the other point, I'm doing it with the red. Okay, the other point was -2, 3. So it would be y minus 3 -1 by 7, x plus 2. This is we have to take the other point, which doesn't look the same. That's possible. There's more than one way to write an equation for a given line in point slope form. But let's see what happened if we solve each of the following equations. Now I'm just clearing it and doing it again because the okay, so we have make two, because we have 2 points, so we got 2 lines. One was y minus 3, which is equal to minus 1 by 7 x plus 2. The other was y minus 2, yes, which is equal to minus 1 by 7 x minus 5.
Yes.
Okay, if we solve it, it would be y is equal to minus 1 by 7x plus 5 by 7 plus 2, which is y is equal to minus 1 by 7x plus 19 by 7. And this is y is equal to minus x by 7 minus 2 by 7 plus 3, which is equal to minus x by 7 minus 19 by 7 plus. Okay. So whichever point we choose to get an equation in the point slope form, the equation is still mathematically the same. And we can see this.
It's like mathematically the same thing.
Yes.
Yes.
Are you looking at it?
Yes, it's the same.
Okay, so I'm just summarizing all the concept. The summarizing concept is, first of all, we are given with 2 points and we are not given with any m. So we need to find m by using m is equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now we know the point slope form, so we know that y minus y0 is equal to m minus m x minus x naught. Now there is a confusion that we need to have one point of the line that we need to put over here in these 2 variables. Now we got 2 points and we don't know which point to put, so we just mathematically solve by putting both of them, and we get to know that they are both mathematically same. It means we can choose any one of the point and put over here, and we will get the point slope form. Getting it or not?
Yes, there's a lot, but I'm getting it. Inshallah, when we solve problems, I'm gonna get hold of it.
You think it's a lot, okay. Write an equation in intersect form.
For you, it's very simple. For me, it's a lot.
Yes, okay. A line contains the point 3, 2, minus 2, 4. Write an equation for the line in point slope form, then write an equation in y-intercept form. Okay. A line contains the point 2. So first of all, the thing is write the equation in the point slope form, and you know when we have 2 points, how to write the equation in the point slope form.
Yes.
Okay.
But we don't have m, so we have to find
m. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute.
Okay. So y2 is 2 by it is 2 by minus 5. I mean minus 2 by 5 m.
Good.
M is equals to, okay, it's written here actually.
Now you need to put it back to the value in the point slope form and get the equation.
Y minus a naught is equals to mx minus x naught. So okay, so we'll take the first one because why not? So we'll take the first one. This is 3 and 2, and next one is minus 2 and 4. So y minus y naught is 2 and is equals to m, and x is x minus 3. So y minus 2 is equals to minus 2.5 x minus 3. So my equation will be y minus 2 is equals to minus 2 by 5 and x bracket x minus 3.
Okay. Now solve this equation for y.
Okay. So y minus 2 is equals to 2 by 5 x minus 3. So y is equals to minus 2 by plus 6. 5, 6 by 5 and then plus 2. Okay, so y is equals to minus 2 by 5 x plus 5 by 6 plus will be 2 x plus 16 by 5. Okay, minus 2 by 5 x plus 16 by 5.
Yes, that's good.
And what else? You're done, right?
Yes, done.
Equation in y-intercept. Okay, this one.
Okay, graph and equation in point slope form. Another useful thing about the point slope form is that you can use it to graph an equation without having to convert it into the slope intercept form. For the equation y minus y naught is equal to mx minus x naught, you can just read off the slope m and the point x naught y naught to draw the graph. All you have to do is to plot the point and then use the slope to find out how many units up or over you need to go. Okay, let's do this with the example. Making a graph of the line of the equation y is equal to, so we have the equation y plus 2 by 3x minus 2 by comparing to the point slope form y minus y naught is equal to m x minus
yes, that's the same equation.
So
yes.
what is m here? M is
minus
2 by 3.
2 by 3. 2 by 3, yes.
And what is y naught here?
Y naught is 2 and x naught is 2. Minus 2.
2. So
2.
x naught is minus 2. Yes, minus 2. Okay, so it would be minus 2 and 2 because we write the x coordinate first and y coordinate after it. Okay, now we want to plot a graph. So how we are going to plot? To read the right values, we need to rewrite the equation. Okay, now we can see that the point 2 minus 2 in the graph. 2 and minus 2. So minus 2 from the x-axis 1, minus 1, minus 2, and plus 2 from the y-axis. This is the point of the graph. Are you getting how we plot the point on the graph?
Yes.
A slope of 2 by 3 tells you that the point you should move 2 units up and 3 units to the right and draw that point.
2 units up
because the numerator means
rise and
over run. So it's
rise is always up, right?
Rise means up. Run means do run. Go horizontally right. Go always right. So the point was here, and we got 2 units, 1, 2 units up, 1, 2, 3 units right. So we got 2 points. When we got 2 points, we can just draw the line and we will get a. We will graph our point slope form in the form of a. What is this happening?
Like as well, like if you teach other kids.
Sorry. Tell me once again, what are you saying?
No, I'm asking, is this book good for you? Like teaching other kids, or is this something new and something different?
No, it's not nothing new. What is happening is this book is more detailed. And it's better for the newly coming kids doing maths. And
Perfect.
have gone. The book we were using for the calculus and the advanced functions, it does not have so many examples, but the concept is really very same. The chapters are same, the division is same, everything is same, but the examples are less. So there is not much difference.
Okay, so good.
Okay, I don't know. We have actually lost. Okay, we were.
Yes. Slope is negative to slope is equals to m.
We get the slope, but they are asking why an equation for the line in point slope form.
Point slope form is y minus y naught is equals to m bracket x minus x naught. That's the equation. So we can take any which one of it, like either the first or the second. So we can take the first one. So y minus minus 2 and then m in place of m minus 2, and then bracket x minus where is it? 1, 1, x minus 1. So y plus 2 is equals to minus 2 x minus 1 in the
Correct.
bracket.
So if we are done with the point slope form, now we need to write an equation in the y-intercept form.
Y-intercept. Okay, so I have to solve in y form. Y is equals to y plus 2. Sorry, y plus 2 is equals to, what is that? Minus 2x, and then minus plus 2. So y is equals to minus 2x plus 2 minus 2 to cancel. So y is equals to minus 2x.
Very good. Coming to the review. Okay. Find the equation of each line in slope intercept form. So this is
Find the equation of each line in slope intercept form. The line has the slope of m. So m is equals to 7 and y-intercept and a y-intercept of minus 2. So yani y is equals to minus 2. So what do you have to find? Find the equation in line intercept. Equation will be y
find the equation of the each line
minus
slope. What is
1
the
is
slope
equal
intercept
to
form?
m x minus x naught. Sorry?
You are working? Okay, good.
Yeah, I'm doing it. So y is equals to, what do we have to find? We have to find the slope intercept form. This is the slope intercept, y minus 2 and m7 x minus x naught. So the first one is y plus 2 is equals to 7 x minus x naught.
Okay. So
Is
now
that the first one?
the line. Okay, equation of the line. Yes, slope intercept form.
Is that it?
Yes.
Okay, the second one? I'll do
Yes,
the second one.
Yes, second one.
Okay, line has a slope of m is equals to minus 5 and y intercept is equals to 6. So y minus y naught is equals to m x minus x naught. So y minus 6 is equals to minus 5 x minus x naught. Is that it? Y minus 6 is equals to minus 5 x minus x naught.
Wait a minute. Yes, sorry, what are you saying?
Y minus 6 is equals to minus 5 bracket x minus x naught.
So what is the value of x naught?
What is the value of x naught?
The line has a slope minus 5, okay, and a y-intercept of 6. Okay. Okay.
There's no value.
There is no
Yeah,
value.
it just, yeah. There's no x naught.
Yes.
The third one, line has a slope of m is equals to minus 1 by 4 and contain a point. Oh, the points are given 4 and minus 1. Okay, so we have to find the so slope is given. So y minus y naught is equals to m x minus x naught. So y minus 1 is equals to minus 1 by 4 x minus 4. So the answer is y plus 1 is equals to minus 1 by 4 bracket x minus 4. Is that the answer?
Yes.
The fourth one will be the line has the points 3 and 5 and minus 3 and 0. So we have to find m. So m is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 0 minus 5, and then y2 and 0 minus 5 and minus 3 minus 3. So minus 5 by minus 3 by 0. Anything by 0 is
There is nothing by 0. Recheck. I have solved it on the board. I knew you got able to do it.
okay, 6, of course. Silly mistake. Okay. 5 by 6, of course. 5 by 6. Yes, Yusuf, be quiet. Okay, go take it. Run. y minus y naught is equals to m x minus x naught. So y minus 5 is equals to m is 5 by 6 x minus 3. So it's y minus 5 is equals to 5 by 6 and bracket x minus 3.
Yes. 5.
Okay, and the fifth one is the line has contained 2 points, so 10 and 15 and 12 and 20. Okay, so m is equals to minus 15 and 12 times 5 by 2, m is equals to 5 by 2, so y minus 15 is equals to 5 by 2 x minus 10. Okay, what happened? No,